Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the channel. You can allow downloads during gameplay, so it'll work in the background. Also, don't forget to remove the restrictions. There's also a trick in Steam where you can set your update priority for each game. Here. So if I go here, pick something like World of Tanks, hit Manage, click on Updates. Right here you can choose to download updates immediately. There's a setting here that's not in the Steam download settings, which is pretty weird. But you actually need this setting. You need to set it for all the games you play and they'll update right away. There you go. That's all for this one. I'm Veller and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.